A flame bowerbird, the world's most brightly coloured bird. He spent several days building his bower, and now he's applying the finishing touches. He works hard on making it bigger and better. Flame's bower, on the other hand, is short-lived, likely to last just a couple of weeks. Even so, every stick has its place. And detail is everything. Happy with his bower, Flame moves his attention to his backyard. If he wants to impress a female, it's important to get this right too. For both, creating the perfect piece of art is time-consuming work.